of schools, sa mga pinupuntahan ko, they actually thought that this is a cotton candy, but this guys, this is not a cotton candy. This is a plum. I will let you touch it one by one, but please, pag bumalik po sa akin, I'm expecting na ganito pa rin siya kalaki and not as small as this, okay? So, before, it was as big as that. But because the kids, some kids, they're really having so much fun with this one. I'm not sure what they're doing with this, but I think they actually thought that it's a cotton candy, so they really play a lot. Okay, so pass it one by one. So, kuya, huwag mo ipunas, ha? Ayan. Pwede rin naman. Okay. So, ano pa? Yung nakita niyo sa film, so yun, yung result, once na nag-melt yung bottles, di ba? We're going to see the plum. And then, right after that, what else? After the plum, you are going to see the bobbin. So, this is the bobbin, guys. Ito yung ating 100% polyester thread. Okay, so, halatang halata, pag hinawakan nyo pa lang, talagang mainit yung pagkasinulit niya kasi gawa siya sa plastic. So, unlike yung mga cotton, di ba? Ito, medyo mas madulas siya. Okay? So, remember this, ha? This is a bobbin thread made from what, guys? 100% polyester. Okay. The last one I'd like to show you is our 100% polyester jacket from London. So, as you can notice, this clothing is mostly used in the northern countries like USA, like in London, Europe, diba? Sa northern. And then also with the western countries like USA, diba? Sa Canada, pwede rin. So, ito yung mga ginagamit nila. Hindi siya masyadong absorbent when it comes to water. At talagang very good siya for countries with the season of winter kasi talagang it's really warm. Talagang tigil-tiginaw. Okay, so are we good? Parang medyo walang energy, guys. Have you had lunch? Are you all okay? Yes. Okay. Isn't it amazing? Yes. Isn't it surprising? Yes. Ayan, the energy na. Isn't it exciting? Yes. Are you going to rock for Mother Earth? Parang wala. Are we going to rock for Mother Earth, guys? Yes. Ayan. Paminsan-minsan, diba? We need a way to relieve stress. But this is not just to relieve stress, but to actually, what? To share something with you guys. This project is something that will touch your lives. So lahat tayo dito, we are going through a lot of different struggles, diba? Sa buhay, gano'n naman talaga. In life, you are going to experience a lot of things. Mostly, hindi naman natin lahat natutunan, lahat ng bagay dito sa loob ng classroom. Isa, hindi mo rin nakukuha sa bahay. You learn through experiences. So tayo ba, do we want to experience the same thing that India is experiencing right now? You see the film that I made? They are taking a bath together with the garbage. So, would you like your grandkids to take a bath in a river of garbage? Probably not. You will never want that to happen. And do you know what, guys? How long is it going to take for a plastic to decompose? It will take about 450 years to 1,000 years. So, ganun siya katagal. So, if we will not mind it at all, what is that going to happen with our Mother Earth 50 years time from now? Think about it. I like you to change your thinking, change your mind. Do something today. Okay? Do not wait for tomorrow. Because every waking morning is a good start to start a new chapter. Always remember that. Also, guys, I just wanted to let you know that God loves you so much. That's why we are here. And that is to remind you how blessed you are. No matter what you're going through. I can see in your eyes, all of you, you have your different struggles in life. Nakarelate ako dyan. Pero syempre, what is important is that, ano ba yung trademark natin sa Filipinos? We are strong in faith. Right? That's the most important. important day. So yung lahat ng natututunan nyo dito, you need to share it. Saan? Kapamilya, kapuso, kapitbahay, kaibigan, kaibigan. Lahat ng may ka. Ayan. Are we good? Awa ko sa inyo. Parang you're lacking of energy and I don't understand. How I wish I can go back here with a surprise and I can give you something. Parang, ang lungkot-lungkot nyo. Kasi really, really sad. I don't understand the reason why you are so sad. Maybe because you were thinking, oh, a very ugly woman is speaking in front of me. Why the heck would I listen to her? Oh. Gutom na nga. Inaantok pa. Kung mayaman lang ako, ginalibig ko na kayo. O burger, ano? Pwede rin. Teacher's burger na lang daw, pwede na. Ayan. Medyo naging alive na, no? Okay, so, guys, I'd like to take note of these things. So, enumerate the countries that have the worst waste problems. Philippines, India, Indonesia, and Ukraine. Are we having fun? Are you having fun with me as your substitute teacher for today? Okay, that's good. Next. Okay, so FLAP is a man-made cotton-like substance. And the top leading industry for manufacturing plastic bottles is what? China textile industry, because they are really making large income out of it. There's really a huge market for polyester jacket, because we all know that there are lots of countries who actually use this stuff, because they do have this winter season. Unlike here in our country, you know, we are a tropical country, so probably it's kind of rare that we're gonna wear those things. Kasi pag tayo ang magsuot, ano na mangyayari sa atin? We are going to melt. And we'll wear those. Okay, next, polyester, the product that is made out of plastic bottles. Okay, next. Ito guys, I'd like to take note ha. The 3 R's. Kasi I have one, I visited or I conducted one film showing project to one of the elementary schools in Rosario, Cavite. Actually, 3 R's is reduce, reuse, recycle. When I asked the little boy, okay, can you enumerate the 3 R's? You know what he told me? It's reproduce, reproduce, and reproduce. And I don't know what this little boy is planning to reproduce. So please, guys, do not put reproduction in your mind. Please do not forget, 3 R's is reduce, reuse,